child, I love me in a slick pony. I look like Jasmine from Aladdin. Hey party people, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. It's going to be a hair tutorial and how I achieve this long, luscious ponytail on my natural hair. For starters, the things that you're going to need for this video to achieve this hairstyle is...
You're going to need a power brush, you're going to need a wide tooth comb, you're going to need a hard bristle brush and a soft bristle brush, also a toothbrush or a Tailcomb or a smaller brush to get your edges, whatever you use to achieve your edges, you're going to need that as well.
For the products that I like to use in order to slick up my hair nicely, I like to use detangling lotion. This is a detangling lotion from Aunt Jackie's line, not on my watch detangler. I like to put that in my hair when I'm combing it out, which you guys will see in the video. And then I have a daily moisturizer that I also like to use just to protect it from being super dry. You're also gonna need some gel. I like to use Eco Styling gel because it lays my hair flat and leaves a nice shine to it, even though sometimes it can give a little bit of a hard time. If you have naturally curly hair, it is water-based, so therefore it will curl up your hair in some areas. We're also going to use some Got2b gel, or you could use whatever your preference is for edge control. A bottle of water. It also has a little bit of conditioner in it. For this video, I actually didn't use real bundles for it. I went the lazier, easier way and I purchased a ponytail. So I got this ponytail from BSW. Obviously right now BSW is closed because of lockdown, quarantine or whatever, but you might be able to find instant ponytails maybe on Amazon if you check, or I don't know if they have any vendors that are on the internet that you could search up. However, all my ponytails that I ever used, I've purchased from the beauty supply warehouse. So this is literally the ponytail I have in right now. However, I do have two because I love it so much. I bought a backup one. This ponytail is an instant ponytail. It's by the brand Sensational. Obviously, it's not human. It is synthetic hair. It has human blend in it, so it could go up to 35 to 400 Fahrenheit. However, I would not recommend putting heat on this stuff because it's just not worth it. If you want to put heat into your ponytails or your hair or your weave or whatever, just invest in 100% human hair to be on the safe side. So on the inside, like up here, there is a clip that you could clip onto your little bun, and it comes with a drawstring. Therefore, you could have extra security while you wrap your hair. This is about, well, I guess it says 30 inches. Yeah, I guess it's like 30 inches. Let me stand up for you guys. Literally catches me down to my bum. And since it's on like the top of my head, it obviously looks a little bit shorter. Whereas if I were to do it a low pony with this, or like a middle part slicked back, it would be obviously down to my ass. This is also in the color 1B because it matches my hair the best. Another feature that I super duper love about this ponytail is that the texture of it, I don't know if you guys could tell, but it's literally like my hair texture. So it blends super easily and naturally, and it just looks way more realistic opposed to having like a super straight fiber texture ponytail, and then your hair is like obviously not as straight as your ponytail. It's a great go-to if you're just looking for a quick and easy but super cute style to achieve because you don't have time to go to the hair store or the hairdresser or whatever. If you have any questions about these ponytails, or if you want to see more tutorials on other ponytails that I have, or whatever you guys want, let me know in the comments below and we can chit chat about that. With that being said, let's jump right into the tutorial. Okay guys, so I realized I forgot to mention some other items you're gonna need for this video. So you're gonna need some scrunchies or like hair ties, and a head tie or tie head, whatever you call it, to lay your edges down. And I also personally use a piece of stocking foot to catch my hair up, so you're gonna need one of those as well. As you can see here, I'm just separating my hair into pieces just so I can make it easier to blow dry out. So I'm just gonna go over my hair with a blow dryer to comb it out just so I could get a little bit more length. So once my hair is fully blow dried, I will go in and comb out my hair and add my oil moisturizer, so that way it provides more sheen and moisturizes my hair at the same time. I kind of use a lot of eco styling gel when I gel up my hair, just because it helps soften my hair and makes it more slick. And then I go over with my hard bristle brush just to brush it up all into place. And I make sure when you're tying your hair up, you have all your hair into the ponytail and it's not like bulking out in any areas. So that's why I like to use a stocking foot. It's so funny because it's literally like a piece of stocking, but it's the only thing that could tie my hair super snatched because I have so much hair and it's like so super thick. After that, you're just gonna braid your hair into a little braid and then wrap it up into a mini bun. Had to do my edges off camera because I was having like a hard ass time doing it while recording, so I had to do that on the side. And when I finished that, I obviously tied my head down with my head tie, and we're gonna go in and put our ponytail on. As I mentioned earlier on in the video, there is clips that come in the ponytail, so it's 2 comb clips, so that way you could put it in front of your bun and behind your bun, so that way it secures your ponytail in place. And then you could draw the string tighter and as tight as you can, just so that the ponytail stays secured. When your ponytail is in a secured position, you're going to want to take a piece of the hair that's like in the back of the pony or behind your head and just comb it out a little bit and wrap it around, just so you secure the actual string and you can hide the comb. You're going to use some bobby pins to do that. And there you have it. Boom. So super cute and quarantine friendly. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and tell other party people you know. And until next time, party people, adios.